Why do schnauzers sound like tiny tractors when they sleep? Whether it's the miniature's dainty snorts, the standard's rumbling snores, or the giant's dramatic sighs, these noises are totally normal. Schnauzers have expressive faces and airways, which means their beards can tickle their noses and cause funny snorts. Their deep chests, especially in giants, make snores louder. And those big sighs, that's pure schnauzer drama, signaling contentment or the world's tiniest protest. Do your schnauzers snore like grandpas? Tell us below. Subscribe for more scruffy facts.